Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you to Eureka channel, A Moment with Rukwaru. This morning, I would like to discuss, albeit briefly, things to discuss before you get married. Before you make the final decision to marry, there are things which you have to be clear to your partner. One, it's important to discuss your bills so that when you get into marriage, one of the spouses don't get surprised because the other one has brought the bills which one didn't know. So it's important to discuss about the bills before the final decision of tying the knot. Secondly, it's important to discuss the parenting styles. What styles are you going to use when it comes to parenting? Are you going to use laissez-faire, where you are going to leave your children to decide what they want to? Are you going to use autocratic, militant, dictatorship? Or are you going to use democracy? It's important to be very clear the methods of parenting. Three, the issue of debts. What debts do you have? Because you may come with a lot of debts and it might sink the marriage boat. The aspect of religion should be settled. It's important if you belong to different religion, it's important to decide which one the family is going to settle for. This is for the sake of the children, because if you are going to different churches, you are going to confuse the children and you are likely also to divide your children. You should also decide how you are going to deal with your in-laws, both from your husband and also from the wife's side. Decide how you are going to handle them. Decide also where you are going to settle. Are you going to settle on your husband's place? Or are you going to settle in your wife's place? Or are you going to settle in a neutral place, which we call in sociology local? So it's important to decide where to settle. Also, it's good to agree what belief systems are you going to instill in your children. It's also important to discuss the sexual expectations from one another. What are your expectations? Because one of the spouses may be having an idealistic expectation and it might cause frustrations. You should also discuss the number of children you are going to have. One may be having an idea to have more than 10 children. The other one may be having an idea to have only 2 or even 1. It's important to discuss this before you get married. It's also important to discuss the family history, family health history. How is the health in your family, so that your partner may be prepared for diseases which are hereditary, which can be in you, or even high possibility to be in one of your children. The mental health history is also important. It's important for it to be discussed. What about the type of a dream home? What dream home do you have? It's important to discuss about it. Careers and education, it's something also to be settled. Are you going to proceed with education? Are you going to go for further studies? What about in terms of the career? Are you planning to change your career? These things need to be discussed so that if, for example, your husband wants to have a homestay wife, it should be very clear. It should not be a surprise when after marriage your husband tells you that you stop working. These are things which need to be sorted before you get to marriage. Thank you very much. I hope you have learned one or two. It's Mutero Kwaro. I would welcome your comments and suggestions in the comment section. Thank you very much. Have a great day.